60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage. The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Grady County in central Oklahoma, South Central Oklahoma County in central Oklahoma, Cleveland County in central Oklahoma, West Central Pottawatomie County in central Oklahoma, Western McLean County in central Oklahoma, until 7:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Moore to near Norman to 4 miles northeast of Blanchard, moving southeast at 45 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include southeastern Oklahoma City, Norman, Moore, Newcastle, Blanchard, Tecumseh, Purcell, Noble, Tuttle, Slaughterville, Lexington, Pink, Goldsby, Valley Brook, Washington, Cole, Tribby, Bridge Creek, Etowah, and Brooksville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Grady County in central Oklahoma until 7:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:47 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Chickasha, moving southeast at 20 miles an hour. Expected hazards include tennis ball-sized hail and 60 miles an hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Chickasha, Rush Springs, Aleck, Verdon, Norge, Agawam, Tabler, Minnehaha, Acme, and Laverty. The storm is producing large hail. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. The